Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create or add or apply the tags effect in CapCut or PC. So first, go to media and just going to add the black screen and select text, select default text and adjust for um, ratio, change for text. Right. Yeah, so to add the effect, you are just going to select animation and select in, out, or loop. So you can select this one, this animation effect as you like. Right? You can download and add to your text. And you can also adjust the duration. Alright, so for example, that's how you can apply the text effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for